Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today I'm gonna show how to fix your wiper if they are making third sound, or they are not cleaning properly, or they are missing some spots, right? If they are making some weird noise while going up or down, right? So how to fix that? So first of all, to fix this, lift your wiper and put it back in a neutral position, and then you have to see that needle over there. You can see that thing should be 90-degree to your glass. If this one is not right, so hold on, if this one is like this, then your wiper gonna make noise. If this one is like this, then your wiper gonna make noise. So make sure that thing should be 90-degree to your wiper. So to fix this, see, it's in neutral position, and these wipers are working very good. So to fix this, you need a wrench or plier, right? So if your needle is on upward position like this, it means there is too much pressure on the wiper arm or wiper blade. So to fix this, you can use that thing, put it here, or you can lift your wiper arm, it's up to you. Just put it like this, and you have to move toward you so that you can release some pressure from wiper blade, right? And if that wiper is in that position, if it's when you do neutral, make sure it's in the center. If it's not, if it's like this, you have to put your hair and you can push it toward the glass to put some pressure on the wiper blade. So that's how you guys can fix your wiper. Sometimes your wipers are new and you just put it and they start making some weird noises. So that's how you can check. Make sure that thing in the center position and 90 degrees to your glass. If it's not, then it's gonna make noise. Imagine if it's like this and your wiper gonna go up, so it's gonna make noise, right? And if it's like this, your wiper gonna make noise once it's coming down. And if your wiper is like this, it's gonna make noise when it's going up. So lift your wiper, put it back, put it in neutral position, right, or in a home position. That's how your wiper should look like. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, guys, and if you have any question, you can just comment me down. I'll try to answer. Thanks for watching.